Today we're going to learn how to use Google Documents. In order to use our school Google Documents account, we would go to www.grcs.org, and in the right hand side under Login, we'd go to Student Gmail. Your student Gmail username and password is the same as your network username and password. So for example, if I'm Julie Doles, I'd log in as Doles, J-U, and then I type in my password. If my password for some reason is less than 6 characters, zeros were added to make it to the length of 6 characters. Julie's is much longer than that, but I do know an 8th grader whose is 4, so his would be his 4 characters plus 2 zeros. And then you'd click on Sign In. For this video, since I am working at home and not at school, I do need to actually use a different Gmail account because I want to show you how to collaborate with somebody, and my husband's on standby for me to collaborate with him, and he doesn't have a GRCS Gmail account. So I am going to actually switch to my regular Gmail account and log into that one and show you what you can do in your school Gmail account. In the top left hand corner, your school Gmail account gives you the options of Gmail, Calendar, Documents, and Sites. So a few less than what you get in a full Gmail account. I'm going to click on Documents because that's what we're learning about today. The couple great things about Google Documents are that you can have, for one, a free word processor, free PowerPoint, free spreadsheet, and not have to worry about purchasing Microsoft Word products. Another cool thing is that you can share your documents with other people, and you can be working on them at the exact same time, collaborating together, whether you're sitting at home or at school. In the left hand corner under Create New, for today I'm going to choose Document. I'm going to go ahead and maximize the window. And I'm going to just start typing my document. So let's say my document is all about ad techniques. And I'll do a bulleted list and toss in there a couple of techniques, add statistics, hard to talk and spell at the same time, but I do have a spell check on this as well. You'll notice right here in the top right hand corner it says saved seconds ago, so it says saved, not save. And I have all of the nice word processing tools without the bells and whistles that I have in Word. What happens when it saves is it usually, if you forget to name it, it will save it by what your header looks like. You also can change the name right here, and you can always go under File to rename and type in the name that you want for your document. But the cool thing that I do want to show you is how to collaborate. So in the right hand corner I have an option to share. I'm going to click on the word share, and now it says add people. If I have someone in my contact list, I can just type their name and also I type their email address. So for example, I can start typing my husband's, but he's in my contact list, so I can just choose him. Can edit means that he can make any changes to this document that he wants. If instead I chose can view, he can see the document, but he can't make changes. In this case, since we're collaborating, I want to leave it on can edit. Also, one thing I want to make sure I leave is a check mark in the send email notifications so that he gets an email if I share a document with him. I'll click on share. What will happen is now my husband will get the same document in his Google document file folder, and he will be able to make any changes to it even at the same time that I am typing. So I'm going to go ahead and continue to add to my list. And my computer just stalled, so we'll see what happens here. Wait it out a minute because I can't do anything right now. Okay, we'll try it again. Hoping he comes on here soon. Testimonial I could add. Oh, look, it just said Hockey Dad is viewing, so I know he's on as well. Sense appeal. And notice he's starting to type at the same time as